These are the new deals. Onto another section here. Check this out, guys. You got the yes, these are the newer buy one get one. New DeWalt deals just dropped. We got a whole bunch of clearance going on for power tools. And as you guys do see, we do got some clearance on the patio furniture. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So this one's a chainsaw. We got this one. This was $100 down from $169. It's a pruner, 10-inch from the Joby. There it is. $90 down from $99. Power jet leaf blower from the Toro. That's it right there. And then right next door, we do have the blower and vac. 117. All right. 150 down from 199. This is another clearance section, by the way. As a matter of fact, we did go to 2 different stores, so just keep that in mind. You got the Freeman Nailer, 315 down from 449. So not bad. There's a lot of clearance on both of these stores. 16-piece wrench rack, $32 down from 34. It's a rack, basically a rack for your drawers, for your toolbox. Pretty nice, organized. 3/8 impact wrench, M12, $199. This is the kit. It is not the fuel, I believe. Yeah, it's actually the fuel. It's actually the fuel. So, all right. So 416 down from 519. This is a Husky. 432-piece mechanics tool sets. So about $100. And then these are the new deals, guys. Yes. New deals, new DeWalt deals. All right, so circular saw, $149. You got a reciprocating saw, $149. Jigsaw, $149. Looks like a planer. Yeah, planer, $169. SDS rotary, $169. You got a drill kit or impact driver kit, $169. You got a 2 power stack batteries and a charger, $179. It looks like 2 6s, those better cells, $179. You got a mid torque impact wrench, $199. You got impact driver, drill driver for $229. You got a belt sander for $249. Brushless a bandsaw, $249, and then you got a 2 kit there for $279. So there's just a whole bunch of discounts that they got going on with these. Not necessarily the buy one get one free, those hacks. But there's a lot of tools that we don't see every day, so it's worth getting them at the discounts, including this brushless biscuit joiner for $229, so $399. So those of you that do a lot of woodworking, or the bandsaw and all that stuff, so definitely worth getting for you guys that are in the line. All right, so $89 up from $99. It's a compact 1/4-inch impact driver, 2 amp hour battery. It's already sold out. A rigid 18-volt floodlight, $59 down from $99 from the rigids. Now you got this organizer. It's something I didn't see last time. So $24.98, pretty nice organizer. And then you got impact driver, drill driver for $169. So pretty good deal for both of those. And then you got these clamps, which I haven't seen yet. Well, I seen them last year, but I haven't seen them this year. So trigger clamps, $44.97. If you guys look closely, you do get 2 4.5s. You got 2 6 inches and 2 12. So total of 6 clamps total. Those are the smaller ones. $19.97 down from $29.97 for the black oxide 21 piece, black and gold. You got a right angle adapter, $19.97 down from $23. It is the Max Fits. You guys know these are pretty nice. Yes, these are the newer buy one get one free. So you buy any of the tools on the left and you get a free starter kit with the 5 amp hour battery. These are pretty solid deals, especially to get with those hacks. And it is a 5 amp hour battery and it looks like a standard charger. All right, so here to the left we got the screw gun valued at $179. Got the cutoff tool valued at $179. You got the 3/8 ratchet valued at $199. The 3/8 variable speed impact wrench $219. A rotary drywall valued at $179. So all the tools are at the bottom. That is the starter kit that you're gonna get for free with that 5 amp battery, and then you got those tools. And these are hackable, guys. Definitely hackable. You guys do know how that works. If you guys have been following my channel, if you guys don't know what that is, make sure you guys leave us a comment down below. Hopefully me or somebody else will respond. $14.88 for this hammer. Then $9.88 for the 6-piece spade bits plus 2 bonus bits. These are pretty nice. They've been getting smaller over the years. They are getting smaller over the years. $14.97 for the 6-piece bimetal reciprocating saw from the Diablo. $29.88 for the 5-piece with a nice case. So you got some steel, some demolition, and all that stuff. You got a fan. This is $59. This is a hybrid fan. You can power this with an extension cord. That's always a plus. You got circular or 7 1/4 blades, the different fine finish, and you got 2 amp hour battery starter kit $99. You got the job site fan for $79. I don't know why they have 2 different prices. They could be 2 different fans. I would have to look at it closely, but they look the same to me. I don't know. All right, so $149 for this 4 amp hour starter kit. Not necessarily the best if you wait for a hack, but check this out. This one's pretty good. This one's a power source, 150 watt, but it does not have the USB Type C, so it has the older USB Type A. $31.97 for the stud detector, $79 for the drill driver kit, and $99 for the battery kit. All right, so this is our the used tools section. This is $3,395 for the lock splitter, or not the lock splitter, the cement mixer. $191 for drain snake. It's kind of a smaller side, and they got this chainsaw that's 20-inch for $354. This is Makita commercial grade. So, all right, on to the second store. I do apologize, couldn't get any more deals at that store, so I have to do 2 stores. So all right, so $126 down from $169 for the 40 volts. This is a clearance section, by the way, at this store. Milwaukee M18 8-inch hatchet pruning, $279 down from $299. That is the kit. It does include a high output 6 amp hour battery. And check this out, guys. You got the blower and the chainsaw kits. This is $405 down from $449, so about 50 bucks off. $399 for this nailer. So you guys do see 16 gauge angled finish nailer, down from $429. So some discounts on those. You got the Toro Ultra. Those are the blower. Very similar to the one on the other side. It's still $117, so you guys can compare the prices. That's probably you're going to be expecting at your store. $37 down from $49. You got a rear handle circular saw for $349 with an 8 amp hour battery. That's a really good deal on that one. I'm pretty sure it's going to drop even lower. $39 down from $99 for that 2 amp hour battery. And then $179 for that bigger battery. And then you got the rear handle circular saw kit with that bigger battery there. All right, on to another section here. This is another clearance section. You got the DeWalt miter saw stand 115 there from $229. You got $129. This is a 6-gallon portable electric pancake compressor. $159 for the 8-gallon 150 psi hot dog compressor. It's a hot dog style. And then you got the twin stack there for $219 for 4.5 gallon quiet compressor from Huskies. $349 for the 2-gallon M18 fuel compressor. So if you guys like the fuel, that's going to be on clearance. Make sure you guys check it out. $129 down from $189 for this 18 volt 7 1/4 miter saw. $90 up from $179 for this rotary toolkit from the Ryobi's. Pretty nice rotary. Somebody that does a lot of smaller work, smaller electronics and stuff. You got the circular saw. This is a 6.5 circular saw M18 fuel 168. And then you got this pass load 16 gauge high performance pneumatic finish nailer and 189. And then you got this. This one's a router table, 85 down from 169. $99.98 for this jump starter. This is like a power bank jump starter. $29.97 for this battery charger maintainer. $5 down from 19 for these Diablo. Make sure you guys be on the lookout for this one. There was only one left. I don't need any. I already have so many of these, but I left it for somebody else. So that's it for today. You guys have a great week, and let us know in the comment section which tools did you see even lower at your Home Depot, or what deals did you get this week. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.